Today, we're diving into an exciting new device, the Infinix GT20 Pro. This affordable gaming phone from Infinix is causing quite a stir, and for good reason. Priced at an astonishing Rm299, it's packed with features that rival even the most expensive models on the market. Join us as we delve into the key specifications and gaming experience this device has to offer. 1. Cyber Mecha Design. Let's kick things off with the device's standout feature, its Cyber Mecha design. The eye-catching design, complete with customizable LED effects, sets the GT20 Pro apart from the competition. With 4 effects and a variety of colors to choose from, you can personalize your device to suit your style. 2. Dual chipset powerhouse. Under the hood, the GT20 Pro boasts a dual chipset configuration that's geared towards gaming performance. The main processor, the Dimensity 8200 Ultimate, is a powerhouse in its own right. Built on a 4nm architecture, it strikes the perfect balance between efficiency and power. With a staggering AnTuTu score of $928 million, it's clear that this device means business. Coupled with 12 GB of RAM, expandable up to 24 GB, and 256 GB of storage, you'll have all the firepower you need for your favorite games. 3. Cutting-edge display technology. Gaming enthusiasts will appreciate the GT20 Pro's stunning display. Boasting a 144Hz refresh rate and OLED technology, it delivers buttery smooth visuals with vibrant colors and deep contrasts. Say goodbye to screen tearing and lag. This display is designed to keep up with even the most demanding games. 4. Immersive gaming experience. But what about the gaming experience itself? Fear not, because the GT20 Pro has you covered. Whether you're a fan of Mobile Legends, PUBG, or Genshin Impact, this device can handle it all. Thanks to features like MEMC and esports mode, you'll enjoy silky smooth gameplay with minimal distractions. And with a large cooling chamber onboard, overheating is a thing of the past. 5. Multimedia mastery. Beyond gaming, the GT20 Pro excels in multimedia consumption as well. With stereo speakers tuned by JBL, you'll experience immersive sound quality that brings your content to life. And let's not forget about bypass charging, a game changer for anyone who loves to game while plugged in. Say goodbye to overheating and hello to uninterrupted gameplay. 6. Camera capabilities. While gaming may be the GT20 Pro's primary focus, it doesn't skimp on camera quality either. Sporting a triple camera setup with a 108-megapixel main sensor and OIS, you'll capture stunning photos and videos day or night. The OIS ensures stability, even in low-light conditions, delivering crisp and clear results every time. 7. Commitment to updates. Concerned about software updates? Don't be. Infinix is committed to supporting the GT20 Pro with 2 years of Android updates and up to 3 years of security patches. You can rest easy knowing that your device will stay up to date and secure for years to come. And there you have it, our in-depth look at the Infinix GT20 Pro. With its affordable price, impressive specs, and gaming-centric features, it's a true game-changer in the world of smartphones. If you're in the market for a new gaming phone that won't break the bank, the GT20 Pro is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy gaming.